Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the DOOGEE X97 Pro. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I like starting from the simplest way, just restart Bluetooth connection. So just switch it off and switch it again. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and choose restart. After that, go to the Bluetooth settings by holding the finger on it from the top menu, and you can see there you have available devices. So check for your device here. If you still don't see it, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated Power Mode. How to do it, you will find the manual instruction. In my case, I have to click 3 times this button. Sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds, sometimes it works automatically. You have to check it by yourself. You can also try to check it and find it in our YouTube channel. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated Power Mode, but it's still not visible for your phone, you can go to the settings again and slide down to the system. Choose reset options, and you can see we have a reset network settings and Bluetooth is included here. So tap on it, choose reset network settings and tap on it again. After that, look for your device again. In the next tip, I always prefer to check that you have any system update. You can check it in the, I'm not sure where, maybe in the Abu phone. Yes, and choose system updates. If you have any update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone or another Bluetooth device to check which one making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.